G'day folks, and welcome to another portrait sketch where I share my process and my insights of how I create a portrait from beginning to end. This time I thought I'd change it up a gear. Instead of creating a portrait real close up, I thought I'd take it back a bit and incorporate some of the body as well. With the head not being so large this time in this drawing, I can just quickly sketch in the facial features, which doesn't take that much effort. And as you can see here, I'm starting to lay in the hands and the arms, checking the reference. I find this kind of drawing good practice for helping your eye measure distances from different body features. Like with any drawing that I start with, I always go in quite light with my pencil because you never know when you're going to make a mistake. As you can see here in this one, I had the arm a little bit too big, so I just adjusted that. Didn't worry about rubbing out any of the lines. I can do that later on. And as you can see here, once I've sort of gotten the features right, I go in with my kneadable eraser and I just ghost those lines. As you can see here, I just rolled up the kneadable eraser into sort of like a rolling pin. Then I just roll it over the drawing just to lighten those lines. Because this drawing was a lot smaller than my usual size, I decided to use a mechanical pencil other than my normal wooden pencils. The HB pencil that I have is a little bit too blunt for this kind of detailed work, so I've got a 0.5 mechanical pencil, which does the job really well. So if you guys like watching this kind of content, just hit the like button or make a comment in the comment section and let us know your thoughts of what you'd like to see or a particular subject you'd like me to talk about. Just let us know. The other day I had someone come to me and say, "Oh, I wish I could draw like you." And I gave them the same answer that I tell anyone that sort of asks that question. I said, you can draw like me. I find it amusing when people say they wish to do something. It usually means they want it without effort or perhaps no sacrifice. No good wishing for things. It's the effort and the sacrifice you need to put in to get the results that you want. So if someone wants to draw, they need to practice, and that practice might take time out of their day. Well, it will take time out of their day, and if they're not willing to make the time to put in the practice, put in that effort and make sacrifices to improve, then they're not really going to get anywhere, and no matter how much they wish, it's not going to happen for them. So yeah, anyone can draw. It's just a matter of time out of their day and get a pencil and a piece of paper and just doodle even. Just make shapes, draw circles, cylinders, squares. That's a start. And if you're looking for a place to start, I do a live stream 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on a Thursday night where I just do the basic shapes and then from there I create a drawing. If you're a beginner and interested in learning how to draw just the basic shapes or just simple drawings, then come along to my Thursday night live stream and I can show you how you can make simple drawings just out of basic shapes. It's not too complicated, just needs a little bit of practice and a bit of imagination, and yeah, you can draw just about anything. Well folks, I think this drawing is just about done. So just a reminder, if you enjoyed this content, would like to see more, then I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button on this video. There's also other videos that you can watch that I'll put up a link so you can go visit them. And if you want to check out my live stream, how I do simple drawings, then I'll put a link up at the end of this video as well. Okay folks, I think this is about it for me, so I'll catch you all later and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.